Hello friends of the Instagram. I have a great craft idea for you and your child to partake in. We will be making noisemakers. Now, you can call them rain sticks, you can call them maracas, I'm calling them rainmakers. What you will need is a roll, cardboard roll. You could use paper towel roll, you could use toilet paper roll, you could also use when you finish wrapping a gift, the roll that holds all the wrapping paper. You will need tin foil, elastics, loose parts, pasta. If you don't have pasta, you could use rice. I got some washi tape. I got my handy dandy glue gun. And you will need 2 pieces of material. If you don't have 2 pieces of material that you can cut up, you could use saran wrap as well. All right, as you can see, I have decorated my tube. You can go ahead and do that as well. Paint, crayon, pencil crayons. You can even cut material out, or you can cut pieces of construction paper out and glue it on, however you like to decorate it. We are going to take a piece of tin foil. All right. We are going to fold the tin foil as small as we can. Okay. Twist. All right, put that aside for now. So we are going to start first by covering our one side of the noisemaker. Now, why I like the glue gun is because the glue gun will hold all these pieces inside the noisemaker. The worst thing that could happen is if your noisemaker explodes and rice and pasta go everywhere. That is not fun to clean up with. So, close it down like this. And then I'm going to put an elastic on top just to give it more security. All right, so now I've done one side. I'm going to take that piece of tin foil and I'm going to coil it around my finger and I will fit it in here. Then we are going to put the pasta in. You can hear it. Take your other piece of material. Okay, same thing. Glue. If you don't have the glue gun, it's fine. You can use regular glue. Just make sure that the regular glue is dried before you let your little hooligan play with this. And then, for extra precaution, just in case the glue dries and doesn't stick, we have an elastic. All right, now the fun part, we're gonna decorate it. So I'm going to put some pom-poms on. The way you wear your hat. All right, got pom-poms. I am going to put some buttons. Put my butterfly on. I mean, you can make it as tacky as possible. If your child is learning to use scissors, get some washi tape. Start putting the washi tape on the end of the table and then have them cut with your supervision and direction. But washi tape looks super cool on here as well, just different textures. And there you go. You have yourself this super duper, really cute and creative noisemaker. This is great if you put on some music. You can teach your child to start start playing to a rhythm or to a beat. Maybe the whole family can make one and then they can listen on different beats and play on different beats. Helps with music, rhythm, patterning, and it's a great workout for your child's fine motor skills. Have fun with this and stay safe, guys. Don't forget to tag us in your posts.